In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a kettlebell 2-in-1 exercise where we put together the sumo squat and the high pull exercise. We put them together to make one fluid movement. So this is going to be working both lower and upper body. Now, firstly, I've got the kettlebell in front of me. A sumo position for a squat is, I want you to imagine coming hip width apart. Anything further than hip width apart would be classified as a sumo stance. So what I want you to do is come into a stance that's a lot wider than your usual squat. From here, the feet point slightly out, and when you're coming down to pick up the kettlebell, you're going to have your arms completely straight in front of your body. So I'm going to be squatting back, bending my knees, keeping my back straight, my chest up, as I grab the kettlebell with both hands and come up. So that's the sumo squat. I'm going to show you that side on. So I'll show you a couple of repetitions. Bending my knees, keeping my knees in line with the big toe and second toe. Chest stays up. I come to the floor of each repetition. You don't have to. Go as far as your mobility allows. So that is the sumo squat. How then do we put in the high pull? So kettlebell starts off here. Once I bring the kettlebell into a position where I'm standing up, my elbows are going to bend and I'm going to bring the kettlebell up to my chest. As I do that, the elbows come away from the midline of my body. So I'm bringing the elbows up in line or just above the position of shoulder height. Let's put both together. Sumo stance, hips go back, looking up, chests up, grab the weight, straight up. So notice how I did that in one fluid movement. I didn't go up and up again. You can do that, but it's nicer when you're doing especially more cardiovascular exercise to really start going quicker and quicker and getting the heart racing. So this would typically be an exercise that would be put into circuit or high intensity training to get the heart rate up. That's how to do both the high pull and the sumo squat. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets, seconds, and repetitions.